the x's. Okay, so our domain is going to be what? -1 and 4. Good job, Miracle. Okay, why did she only have 3?
Because you can't have 2 to 7.
You cannot repeat them. Okay. What is the range? Y. Okay, what is it?
-5, -1,
Good. Look at the next one. It says do the domain and range. Same thing. Okay, so we got our domain. What is the domain on this one?
-7, -3.
Good.
1, 5, 6.
Good job. What about the range? Darren, get off your phone. What about the range? What is the range?
-4, 3, 4, -6.
Good. We don't write down the -2 two times. Okay, between this paper and yesterday's paper, it is 70 points. Okay, that gives you a nice cushion before you even take your test. Okay, and the reason I do that is that way if you totally fail your test, then at least you have like a lot of homework points. Okay, so make sure that you get them done today, and I'll have them graded and give them back to you tomorrow. Determine whether each is a linear function or a nonlinear function. Okay, look at 4 or 5. Is that linear or nonlinear?
Linear.
How do you know?
Doesn't
Yeah. Okay, so it can have an x or an x what?
Square.
1. X to the 1 power. Okay, so this is linear. What about 19? Non-linear. Oh, shoot, 17. I was looking at the 19. 7. I'm done today. Okay, write the slope-intercept form of the equation of the line. What is slope-intercept formula? Y equals mx plus b. So this one should look like y equals what? Huh? 6x plus -3. Okay, that's what yours should look like. Okay, the same way that you're doing your test, you should have your review 1 right next to your test. You follow along. The instructions go in the exact same order. Okay, so flip your review page from yesterday and then flip today's page. Okay, keep them on the same pages and then you'll be all right. Some of you may not, and some of you might. Okay, is this discrete or continuous? How do you know? Yeah, you ain't gotta pick your pencil up. You can get from one triangle all the way to the other, okay, without picking your pencil up. This is gonna be continuous. Okay, is this linear or non-linear? Okay, non-linear. What's linear look like? Straight line. Domain, what is the domain? -4 to 6. Good. The range.
-4 to 6.
-6 to 5. Okay, it starts here on the bottom and it ends up here on the top. Okay, same thing. If you were to draw a box all the way around this, that lets you know that that's the domain and range. You could draw this, this, and then up to here. Okay, that lets you know that the domain goes from here to here and then here to here for the range. Okay. I see where some of you guys got 3, okay, but you're looking at the x-intercept or y-intercept. Okay, is this a function?
No.
No, it fails the vertical line test. Anything that's a closed shape or sideways, okay, is not going to be a function. This is a no. Is this odd or even? It's neither. Okay, same thing. If it's a closed shape, okay, circle, square, triangle, oval, rectangle, okay, it's going to be neither. Okay. What's the next one? Say, I can't see. Let's me scroll. Min and max. Okay, is there letters on here? Then we're not doing min and max on this one. X-intercept.
6, 4.
Negative 4 and 6. Wait, what?
-4 is one of them.
And 6.
No. we're lo-
Which-
Oh, wait. Yeah, I'm looking at the other one. -4 and 6, my bad. The Y-intercept.
-4 and 3.
Yeah, that's the one I was looking at. -4 and 3. Okay, flip your page. Is this discrete or continuous?
Continuous.
Continuous, linear, or non-linear?
Nonlinear.
Non-linear. The domain,
-6.
which is it?
Negative 6.
-6. -6 to what? Infinity. Okay, -6 to infinity.
Where is this to make it back?
So you hear other ones? Okay, the range. What is the range?
-6. Negative infinity.
Negative infinity
Oh, shit. To infinity.
to infinity. Okay, anytime you see arrows, something's got to be infinity on there. Okay, something has to be. And your best bet, if you look at this, how many between the domain and range? Okay, this is 4 points for on your test. How many infinities are up there?
2. 3.
Well, 3. Okay. If you see arrows, your best bet, if you're not sure, is to say negative infinity, positive infinity, negative infinity, positive infinity. If you see arrows, okay, because chances are, more times than not, then you would have, if you would have did that, you would have got a 3 out of 4. Okay, then nothing. Okay, so if there's arrows, I would probably guess infinities. Is this a function?
No.
Is it a function?
No.
No. Okay, you could draw a line like here. See how it touches here and here at the same time? That means it's not a function. Is this odd or even? It's even. Both those arrows are pointing which way? That way. Okay, to the right. So that means it's going to be even. Min, max, nothing. Okay, x-intercept. -4, good. What's the other one?
-6.
2 and 6.
The other x-intercept.
Negative.
The other x-intercept.
Is it infinity?
It's only one.
It's only one.
Or you saying it? And
I know, and then you'd be like,
Somebody.
have a little confidence. Y-intercept.
-6.
-6 and 2. Okay, the next section on your test says sketch the graph using the intercepts. Okay, how do we do this?
So,
Find the 1 on the X line.
Find a 1 on the x line, and then find a 4. Is this line positive or negative?
positive.
It's negative. Okay, just asking. Then you don't have to write it on there or nothing, but just curious. Okay, write the slope intercept form. What is slope intercept form?
Y.
Y equals mx plus b. How do we do this?
See which, on the Y line, see which number.
On the y line, we find the y coordinate first, and what is it?
4.
4. Okay, so this is the one where we got this little formula. Okay, so now we can say plus 4. Is this line positive or negative? It's positive. Okay, and then how do we get the slope? See the next closest point on the line, it's gotta be on those crosshairs, and where is that at?
-2.
Up 1 over 2, good. Okay, it's right here, or Miracle, you said -2, you could pick this one too. Okay, so either way, you're gonna go up 1 and over 2. Can I scroll? Okay, 19, same thing. What do we find first?
The number on the Y line.
The number on the Y line, and that's at 4. Okay, then what?
The next close point.
Okay, where is that?
Down
Up 1 over 1 or down 1 over 1? Is this positive slope or negative slope?
Positive.
It's positive, good.